Hey everyone, frustrated with your Android phone showing an offline message? Can't access Google, Gmail, or Maps? Don't worry, today, I'll walk you through why this happens and 12 quick solutions to get you back online. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why is my Android phone offline? Airplane mode on .no internet .no service, Google app bugs, firewall issues, cell tower problems, app interference, device off or dead battery, location services off, Google account sync issues. Part 2. How do I get my Android phone back online? 11 quick ways. Way 1. Recharge your Android phone. Way 2. Switch to mobile data. Swipe down to open quick settings. Tap Wi-Fi to turn it off. Tap mobile data to enable it. Wait for the signal bars and LTE 4G 5G icon to appear. Way 3. Reinsert your SIM card. Way 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, Connection and Sharing. Select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Restart phone via Settings, General Management, Reset Network Settings. Way 5. Disable airplane mode. Swipe down to open quick settings. Look for the airplane mode icon. If it's enabled, tap it to disable airplane mode. Way 6. Clear Google Chrome cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps. Select Google Chrome. Tap Storage, Clear Cache, and Clear Data. Way 7. Reinstall Chrome. Play Store Chrome. Install. Open Chrome. Check error. Way 8. Set date and time. Settings, System date and time. Enable auto time and auto time zone. Restart phone. Way 9. Update OS. Settings, System update. Download and install update. Restart phone. Way 10. Contact service provider. Way 11. Factory reset your phone. If nothing works, do a factory reset as follows. Go to Settings, System Reset Options. Tap Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and follow the prompts. After resetting, set up your phone again. Part 3. How do I get my phone out of offline mode skillfully? Unlocking phones can be hit or miss. Android Repair works well. For instance, it quickly fixes the Samsung S24 system, solving offline issues. Step 1. Open the software that you have installed on your computer and navigate to the System Repair section found on the main interface. Step 2. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable and choose the Android Repair option. Review the displayed information and click Start. Step 3. Provide the necessary details about your device and click Next. Then, enter 00000 and select Confirm. Step 4. To enter download mode. For devices equipped with the Home button, power off your phone. Then simultaneously press the Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume Up to access download mode. For devices lacking a Home button, turn off your phone. Then press the Bixby, Power, and Volume Down buttons for about 10 seconds before releasing them. Finally, press Volume Up to enter download mode. Step 5. After successfully entering download mode, click Next to download the necessary firmware. The program will then initiate the process to resolve the offline issue.